So you can actually achieve all this by going to eliteswap.online. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna drop the URL in the comment section. So you try to create an account with eliteswap, and then you verify. After verifying, go back and then sign in. I've already done that, so this is what the dashboard look like. Yeah, you got your profile, and then you can change your name. This is the code, the ongoing promotion, 20% off. This is the tutorial, but then if you cannot understand it totally, that is the purpose of making this video. The tutorial for the free trial people, and then the paid plan. So you can just browse through it, and then we go straight to the available plans, which has the basic as the $100, giving you 40 minutes of conversion time. You don't have a limit unless you pause it and then play the game. 24/7 hour support. I think it's reasonable. You have the professional too. And then when you go to the annual section, you have reductions on your prices. For $100, you're gonna pay just $87.50. And with $185, you're gonna pay $166.67. Yeah, so that's what it is about. With a higher request, you gotta message them, and then you're gonna talk to them. So when you want to make a crypto payment, you just view the address and then make payment, and then after that you paste your transaction stash and then submit it. After submitting, you're gonna get your API key, and then you're gonna have access to the studio. I'm gonna show you after I make my payment. Okay, so I've made my payment, and then this is what it's gonna look like. So you see your API, copy it, and then launch the studio. So you're gonna be asked to allow certain permissions, and you're gonna do just that. So you select your image, and then you wait a few seconds, and then the conversion starts. Yeah, just like that. Toggle into the portrait mode. So we have the landscape and then the portrait. Yeah, you can disconnect too.